Professor Marlon. Welcome to the Biology Extraordinaire show. Due to lack of views, our show was cut. But we're back and discussing the cell cycle. The cell cycle is the process when a cell divides. It includes three phases: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Here to tell us about interphase, please welcome Billy Bob Joe Dude.
In the first stage, interphase, the cell makes a copy of its DNA, but always remember, no division has occurred yet.
Thank you, Billy Bob Joe Dude.
No problem.
The next stage is mitosis, but we'll talk about that later in the show. The third and final stage is cytokinesis. In this stage, two identical daughter cells are formed. We'll be back after these short messages.
Professor Marlon?
Oh, Bob Saget. That was a good cracker. You know what helped me wash that down? Life water. pH balance. That's some good water. Welcome back to the Biology Extraordinaire show. Before the break, we discussed the first and last stage of the cell cycle. Now we'll talk about the middle stage, mitosis. Please welcome Dr. Smith as he helps us explain mitosis.
Hello, Professor Marlon.
Mitosis consists of four phases. Just remember, PMAT.
The first stage of mitosis is prophase. In this stage, the chromosomes become visible, the centrioles separate, and the centromere attach to spindle fibers. In metaphase, which is the second phase, the chromosomes line up in the middle and the nuclear membrane disappears. The third stage is anaphase. During this, sister chromatids move apart. And finally, the fourth stage, telophase. In this, two new nuclear membranes are formed. The chromatids uncoil and the spindle fibers break.
Dr. Smith, why is the cell cycle important?
Well, Professor Marlon, based on my knowledge, I would say it is important because it helps us heal and replace dead cells, and also it helps us grow.
Thank you, Dr. Smith, for joining us today.
No problem.
Well, that's all we have for today, folks. Join us next time on Professor Marlon, the Biology Extraordinaire show. Interphase, mitosis, and cytosis. Here, oh, that's wrong.
During this, sister chromatodes.
Okay. So should I start it right now? So wait, okay. So I stop it and then.
Say